So this is going to be the rear swing arm that we got to build. Right where these little lines are right here, you're going to see that's where the axle is going to be on the cart. Wheels on this side. This is where the gearbox and brake and stuff are going to mount. Also, there's going to be some swing arms going that way that are going to connect to the frame, and hopefully that'll give some suspension. So let's do it. I always grind the edge first, that way you don't get an invalid measurement by all the burrs hanging off the end. Exactly what we want. Obviously I'll fit it up completely, but this is kind of what it's going to look like once we're done welding it. Yeah, again, stick welding, not my thing. Alright, see how badly we can fail at this one. And that thing was wiggly as hell, but that does look like a pretty good solid weld. It'll work. An 1/8 inch gap between the sides here. Cut the piece a little too short, but I'll try to fill it. See, this is what angle grinders are for. That looks like shit, but it will work better than that. So this is something similar to what the finished product should look like. We got our car brake there that I believe is from a Honda. We'll have a bearing there. I'm going to have another one here, but I just don't have them on right now because I'm lazy. The right angle drive will be something similar to that. I'm not sure if I'll keep it forward or if I'll mount it above it. I'll probably end up keeping it a little bit forward like that because that way the drive shaft doesn't have to be too long going back here, and that leaves plenty of clearance for our chain to be kind of static. I have to measure that out to make sure that works right too as well, but that may change. But other than that, I'm kind of digging it. Looks pretty industrial, looks pretty good. I know the right angle drive is probably what's doing it the most, but otherwise, I mean, it's gonna be a pretty sweet system. That'll I gotta make sure all this is spinning the right way too, because if not, that's really gonna suck. But yeah, it's gonna be pretty dope. Actually, here's what it'll look a little more like. Yes, it's a Honda rotor that's going to be used with a Toyota brake caliper because it's all I could find for a decent price. I just painted it, so my professional paint job there that definitely didn't get all over the place. Okay, ignore that. I was drunk when I drew that. It's supposed to be only 26. And here we are, a couple hours later, and there it is all painted. Beautiful welds and all that I totally, ground down and made look good. But yeah, I ended up welding some stuff here and there, and that is going to be our suspension. Let's do it.